Alright guys, I'm going to be installing the blower motor. I was kind of getting started at it, then I thought about it. I should do the video, so I had went back, but I had took a few bolts out already, but I'll show you how you do it. First, you just want to take this glove box down. It's two things you push in right here to drop the glove box door. And then you just want to pull that out, set that to the side. Now, it's just a black cover over here with some clips that you just pop out. It's real simple. And then you want to unplug these two plugs after you take the black covers off. And it's nothing but, let me see, 4 or 5. What did I drop the other level? 4 or 5 little bolts that goes in the blower motor. You'll see them. After you take those out, you just unplug this little hose right here, and the blower motor comes right out. It's that simple. Okay, and on a new, let me show you. On this new blower motor that I had got for advance, I went to the junkyard to get one, but I had cut the plugs off of them, took a battery with me so I could test them, and they all was making that weird noise. So I just went ahead and bought a new one, and this is the same one. Okay, on this one, you're gonna have to take this, pop this rubber part out, transfer that hose over to there, and you wanna take this ground bolt with the clip out and transfer that over to that hole right there. So let me do that, and then I'll turn the camera back on. Okay, guys, as you can see, I just pulled this hose out, take that rubber piece out of there, and press it in there. And I took that bolt off, which is a 9/32, 7mm, and I put it right here, that second small hole next to the positive lead. And that's about it. It comes with another rubber part that you could pop off, but it just like in case your blower motors line up different. That's what that's for. This is for the AC drainage, I guess, for the AC lines. If you have AC, if you don't have AC in your vehicle, and then you don't need this hose, you could just leave it plugged up. But yeah, let me put this blower motor up in here, put the bolts back in, plug it up, and then I'll show you guys. It's real simple. You just, actually, let me show you now. You just stick it back up in there and line it up so all the holes will match. Should line up pretty fairly easy. Let me actually put this down, this camera down, and then try to line this up, then I'll turn it back on. All right. Okay, guys, get everything installed. All the bolts put back in. And what I didn't know that this came with it, I just looked in the blower motor box, and I seen this after I got done with it, but it's self-explanatory already without having to use the sheet. That's the sheet on how to, install a blower motor, but it's real simple though. I mean, you really don't need this to figure it out, but no, I'll just put this up here in case you guys need it. All right, that's it to that. Let me show you it work. Let me stick the key in the ignition, turn it forward. Going nice and strong. No sound, no squeals, no squeaks. Nice and strong. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.